bless you, baby. God bless you, baby.
Good morning, Philippines!
What are you doing, little bug? Good morning! Yeah, it's the same shirt I wear yesterday's vlog. From the other this vlog. But anyway, the same sweater. Good morning, guys! Today is Monday. Tommy is not coming because iring nagakos kadtong dapita dito. Somebody tell him to if he can work Monday. So, and of course, Tommy always say yes. Never say no challenge. Yeah, so that's what happened. And I was thinking of going sa isang bahay. Of course, dadalhin ko yung aso. But I'm debating if I'm going over there. I have that kind of like, I don't wanna go. Pero, and also the kids, I mean the two dogs want to see, you know, their father. And this one right here is really not good. Hindi na ito mawala, guys. Itong dalawa. Isa lang yung andito noon. Ngayon, dalawa na. How to get rid of darks. I'm gonna research it later. But anyway, magre-ready lang ako. I think I really have to go. Hi, guys! Nagdala lang ako ng bag. Ito. Nakalimutan ko kung asan ko ito na nabili. Isa lang yung dalhin ko. Laptop. Hindi ko na lang to dalhin, guys. Laptop na lang yung laptop bag na lang yung dalhin ko. Hindi pa alam ni Tammy kung ano yung decision ko kasi sinabihan ko siya, sasabihin ko sa iyo kung ano yung yung plano ko kasi hindi ko pa sinabi sa kanya kung pupunta ba ako doon o hindi. So yun. Do you want to see Dada? Do you want to go out this way and see Dada? We're gonna go into the car and then we're gonna go see Dada. You can't even go with us. Do you wanna go with us, little man? Little man? Do you wanna go with us? Kahimos na lang. Himos mo na mong baby. I will leave her like 11. But now time check is 9:45. So late akong alis. Oh, last night, I don't let them. Oh my God, ang ingay ni Roxy kagabi, guys. So I decided to bring them down here para dito sila matutulog sa baba. So, pinababa ko sila. Dito sila natutulog si Roxy. Parang baliw. Tahol ng tahol. Kasi may nag-howling yung mga kayuri. Ang daming kayute kagabi, guys. As in, naririnig ko talaga kayuri. Ow, ow. May mga baby. Parang ang dami nila ba. Malapit lang dito kasi rinig na rinig ko talaga. So, malapit sila sa bahay. So, Roxy go crazy. And sabi pa ni Tammy, so you really have to bring them up with you because baka yung coyote pumunta malapit sa bahay ko. Ay, malapit na yun ang lapit yung ang rinig ko sa kanila ay sobrang lapit sa bahay. So grabe kagabi, grabe daming coyote, guys. Hindi lang isa, guys, parang tatlo talaga, guys. At saka parang may baby na coyote. Oh my God, I just talked to Tommy and I'm not going. I decided to stay here. You know, the bug it's really I don't know. Hubsy bug is really unhappy. I can tell he is very unhappy me leaving. He was lying down over there with me and he doesn't want to leave me. And I think he knows I'm leaving and he doesn't like me leaving, and I know that because no one can give them something, you know. They cannot eat when I'm not here. I mean, I leave them some food. Meron naman ako mga tinitira sa kanila na mga pagkain, pero iba pa rin yung andito ako kasi parang may makain talaga sila na fresh. And I'm also cleaning up, guys. Maglilinis lang ako. I'm going to clean up the house and then I'm going to change pajama or shirt or not shirt because it's cold. So punta lang tayo sa taas. Ihatid ko lang ito. Sabi pa ni Tammy kapag winter na daw, hindi na daw yung tutubo yung mga yung grass sa lupain namin, sa ground namin, sa backyard at saka sa front yard. Pero nakikita ko na parang tumutubo pa rin. Hindi ko alam. Tignan nyo ako, guys, para akong loka-loka. Ganito ako kapag bored or gusto kong may gawin. Binalik ko yung couch. Para naman maluwag tignan guys yung pagdaloy from the living room to the kitchen. Para maluwag tignan ba? Hi guys! Nagutom ako guys. Ba't hindi ka kumain? I'm not giving you bunsi if you don't eat your dindin. I'm not giving you naang. You have to eat your dindin, baby. Do you know that? You have to eat your dindin. Anyway, guys. Okay, let's go outside. Kaman unta ko ako ning lakaw dayon. Nang ilis gani ko. It's time to edit the vlog. At saka yung mukbang ko, pag-edit lang ako. And then, I'm going to the store later to pick up something for my mukbang. You have to behave, my love, oy. You have to behave, man. What do you want? What do you want? Do you want ice cream? Do you want some 3D's ice cream? Yes, do you want some ice cream? No ice cream? Okay, let's go get some ice cream for you guys. Ito yung ice cream na binili namin ni Tommy for the dog. Dogsters. Ice cream style treats for dogs. Look, dogs. So, ito yung ice cream nila guys. And it's really hard. I'm gonna use 1 cup right now. I'm going to let them have this 1 cup para naman. Pero sobrang matigas pa. So, ilabas ko lang siya sa freezer and then ilagay ko dito para mag-melt siya kaunti and then I will give it to the dog later. Come here. I'm gonna give them their treats. Come here, Roxy. Roxy, come. Okay, come. Come here. Come right here. Come here, Roxy. Come here. Roxy, come. Here. Come here, Rox. Do you want some ice cream, Loco? You like it. You like it. You like it. She likes it, guys. How about you guys? Si Misty guys doon kumakain din. It is 3:45 na. Malapit na mag-3 o'clock. Hindi pa ako tapos nag-vacuum. Hindi pa ako tapos nag-vacuum, guys. Oh my God. I mean, na-vacuum ko na dito sa baba. And ito na lang yung rug. I-ano natin, i-vacuum natin itong rig. Itong rig. Let's do vacuum the rig. Oh, I like it when the Christmas tree is there. I like it better. Yeah, I like it better. Sino yan? Hi, Bug! Lil man! Lil man! Time check, it is 4:22 na ng hapon. And hello baby, hello. Hello baby. Hello. Aloy, aloy. Alu, you don't eat your din. Why is that? Why is it? Why you don't eat your breakfast this morning? Tell mama. Tell me. Tell me why you don't eat your breakfast. Tell me why you don't eat your breakfast, huh? Roxy, come. Why you don't eat your breakfast? Why you don't eat your breakfast? Tingnan nyo, guys. Oh, clingy, oh. Super clingy, oh. Why you don't eat your breakfast, huh? Why? Why you don't eat your breakfast? Oh my God. Oh my Lord, this. Sarap ng tinula, oh. Good. Sabawan natin yung pagkain natin. Hindi nyo pa nakikita, guys. Nagmumukbang ako with this, tinola. Okay? Kakain muna ako, ha? Let's go see people. Let's go see our friends. Say hi to your friends. Say hi. Hi, guys. I am Misty. Naku, nandila. Bulugwa man laging dila. Ayaw palugwa ang dila. Hey, guys. Don't let your tongue out, okay? Let's say hi to the camera. Hold on. Hi, guys. My name is that let your tongue in. Don't let it out. Hi guys, I'm Misty. I'm a kind of dog that will, like, if I get ready and put makeup on, it will take forever for me. It will take forever. We're gonna meet your friends here. Say hi to your friends. They like you. Come here. Roxy, come. I know. Come here. Come, Roxy, come to mama. Roxy, come to mama. Misty, get down, please. Come here. Come to mama. Misty, it's Roxy's turn. You can eat it. Come. Roxy, come here. Nagwala na. Come to mama. Right here. Sit. Right here. Misty. Right here. Come sit. We're gonna say hi to our friends. Come here, say hi to our friends. Look, say hi to our friends. Hi, friends. My name is Roxy and I'm very clumsy. Look right here. Look. Come here. Why you lie down? Why? Mama, baby. Ato'y pinangga tayo. Mama's little princess. Yeah, I know this blanket is new wash. Okay, let's introduce yourself to our friends. Come here, guys. Oh, ayaw niya, guys. Tignan niyo, guys. Oh, nagparuling-ruling ra dire. Nagpaligid-ligid ra. No. Let's go. Come, let's go. Tignan niyo, guys. Guys, ayaw talaga, guys. Tignan niyo. Ayaw, nagligid-ligid na nung dire. What are you doing? What are you doing? You're so happy. Ay, manikan. We have to see our friends. Say hi. Hi guys, my name is Roxy. I am clumsy. I love my mama and she loved me. And Dada loved me too. I'm the cutest dog in the world. Look at it right. Look right there. Look. God bless you, baby. God bless you, baby. God bless you, baby. God bless you. Mama loves you. Hi guys. Thank you guys so much. Talk to the camera. Thank you guys so much for watching and also for loving me as Roxy. I know I kinda annoying, but I love my mother and Dada and I love to play. And I really want bones and treats all the time. So let's have fun, guys. I hope you can play with me. I hope you can play with me. Okay. Anyway guys, so this is the end of for today's vlog. I-end ko na to. Thank you guys so much for always watching. I will end this vlog And I will see you guys in my next one. And please subscribe if you haven't subscribed into this channel. Please like this video if you do like this video. And bye. Good night. Good night, guys. Bye-bye.